Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to schedule power on or off on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, scheduling power off during specific hours when you don't expect to use your device can help conserve battery life, especially if you are not actively using it during this time. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To begin, launch the Settings application on your device. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the Settings menu until you reach the System section. This section is where you'll find various system-related settings and configurations that govern how your device operates. And within the System section, find out and select the Schedule Power On or Off and Restart. This feature allows you to automate the process of turning your device on and off or restarting it at specified times. So in this menu, you will see a toggle switch that controls the feature's activation. So, slide the toggle switch to the on position to enable the scheduling feature. With the scheduling feature enabled, you can now set the specific times at which you want your device to power on, power off, and restart. This customization allows you to tailor your device behavior to align with your usage patterns and preferences. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to schedule power on or off on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.